off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. No, actually, we are taking the fluffy one to Ace Hardware today, and because we need a key to get copied. They weren't able to do it at Home Depot and Lowe's. I guess their machines won't take this key, so we're headed up to Ace Hardware, but we're taking Fluffy with us today. Now, her name's not really Fluffy. Her name's Diogy. Say hi, Diogy. Say hi, girl. She absolutely loves riding in the car here. So now I want you all to notice here, I'm not in the driver's seat today, okay? The beautiful one, there's a quick glimpse of her, is doing the driving today. Now, you know, it's very customary when you're driving with the beautiful one to make sure that you're buckled in, and you kind of like, you know, do one of these and hold on to the dash and stuff, kind of like those. No, seriously, Valerie's an excellent driver. I feel very safe with her, very, very safe. Although her car, sometimes I think it's being held together with banjo wire and duct tape, because she has bungee cords around her visor up there, and her glove box doesn't work anymore. So yeah, they're just, you know, fun stuff like that. That's paid for. But it's paid for. See, that's the really great thing. It's paid for. So yeah, that's a good thing. What you have to say there, girl? Huh?
You not going off, sweet pea?
What you saying, huh?
You not going off in the car?
What you saying? You like your trip today, huh? Is Mom gonna get you a treat after we're done, huh? What do you think? What do you think? You think Mom's gonna get you a treat? I hope so. I hope so.
You got a puppuccino.
You got a puppuccino, how about that? I feel like there should be some road music playing right now, but I don't know. We are coming up on Ace Hardware. Diogy is going to be beside herself when we go into the hardware store today. So we're all really excited about this. So we're not that far away. And somebody, what do you say, girl? Huh? What do you say? You looking forward to this? It should be fun, shouldn't it? We are all looking forward to this today. This will be happy. And oh yeah, just this, I just want to let you guys know this. We'll get this key copied so I won't have to hear about it again. Okay, girl, we're here. Well, sort of here. Here is Ace Hardware, folks. Aren't we all excited? Look at Diogy. Diogy is so excited about this.
Get out okay?
That's a girl. Good girl.
You did good.
Good job. Good job. Come on.
Come on, sweetie.
Come on. Come on.
Watch your stuff on the...
Yeah. Look at this. Look at that. What do you say? You say thank you? Oh, come on.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, she's a little uptight.
Yes. Careful. There you go. She's a good girl. See that? You're a good girl, Diogy. Good girl. Good girl. Thank you.
No matter which one I get, I'm going to have to come back and pick the other.
What do you think, Diogy? You happy to be at a new place? New smells and everything, huh? Birdseed.
Well, look at all the attention you're getting today, Diogy. Look at that. Look at that.
My dogs are going to be so mad at me when
Yeah. What do you think, Diogy? You gotta pay first. You just can't walk out. We'll get in trouble. We'll get in trouble.
You don't get everything on good looks, Diogy. Like, we need to take you here more often. Yes, we do. You're a good girl today. You a good girl? Huh? Huh? Yeah, you a good girl. Thanks so much. Have a good day. What do you think, Diogy? Huh? What do you think? Did you have fun today? Did you have fun? Huh? Was this a good time? You want to come here again sometime?
It's okay.
Oh boy, all these smells. Oh my goodness.
Let's head over to the car, honey bun.
Come on.
Good girl. Good girl. Hi. Come over here. I'll get her in this way.
Oh, okay.
Wait. Jump up. Jump up.
Jump up. Good girl. Good girl. That's a girl. That's a girl. You good girl.
Good girl. You did good.
Well, Diogy had a very successful adventure. She got to meet several people inside there. She got petted multiple times. She was such a good girl. And I get to give, look what I get to give her at home. Now, one of the very nice gentlemen that made the keys for us gave us this puppy biscuit. So we'll make sure that she gets it when we get back home. That's for sure. Now we're heading back home. Oh boy. One of the things I have to say is everyone in that store that we talked to was super friendly, very helpful, and it's just a small Ace Hardware here by where we live. They were like really nice. So, you know, next time you think you might want to go to a Lowe's or a Home Depot, try going and trying out Ace Hardware instead. I mean, they really did a great job. We got our keys made because we couldn't get it done at Lowe's or at Home Depot because their machines wouldn't do it. And you can see the guy had exceptional skills of being able to do keys. It was one of the older machines, but he knew how to work it. So I think that was pretty good. Plus, like I said, Diogy got an absolute treat of being able to smell all these new smells and have some people pet her. She really enjoyed herself. So all in all, this was a fantastic trip. Girl, huh? What you saying? You enjoy your adventure today? Get some water when we get home, okay? And we'll definitely get your treat when we get home. That was fun. I'm glad you had a good time, sweetie. She was exceptionally good. I mean,
Yeah.
She really was. Especially with, you know, she's not normally that good with little kids, but she was exceptionally good. That
Yeah.
little boy, didn't you think?
Yeah. She was a little uptight with the
Little
sound.
bit.
I think it was the sound of the machine kind of.
Yeah, she was bothered by the sound of that key machine, so
Yeah.
of course it kind of bothered me too. It
Yeah.
really was.
I wasn't expecting it to be like that.
Well, that's why you go to Ace Hardware to get those things done, because it's not a
It's not
computerized
Yeah.
kind of thing that you have at Lowe's and Home Depot. So that's why we did that. So all in all, very good. Well, folks, miracles do happen every day. Valerie got us back safely. But we had some fun today. Diogy had some fun. Gonna give her this biscuit that the nice person at Ace Hardware gave me for her. So all in all, it was a nice treat for Diogy. We had a good time.